Coming up, the confrontation.
She called me, I can't deny. She hired people to stalk me day and night. She ran up on me with 3 men with flashing lights. Somebody tell me what's happening. Baby, it's not what it look like. You're my wife. This girl knows she means nothing to me. Do you want the whole world to see this some bullshit? Got us looking a fool on national TV. You got me all on cheaters. Baby, can we go back to the way we were? Get that camera out my face. Just between me and her. It's already bad, let's not make it worse. If Punk Joey's asking questions, about to get himself hurt. My shorty called me up and now we're fighting no cheaters. My shorty called me up and now we're fighting no cheaters. My shorty called me up and now we're fighting no cheaters. My shorty called me up and now we're fighting no cheaters. Oh, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a cheater by her toe. If she holler, let her go. Man, just let her go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a cheater by her toe. If she holler, let her go. Man, just let her go.
Rob,
Whoa,
what's this?
hold up. Wait.
Who is she?
Ain't nobody, it's just a
For
friend.
real though, don't do this to me, for real.
It ain't even like
This
that.
how you do me?
No.
You told me you was at the studio working. Is this what you was working on?
Even like that, baby. Hold up. I just want to talk to you for a minute, just real quick.
Well, speak up then,
I
talk.
just want to explain something.
Don't do this to me, for
All these
real.
people out here, man, got me all on TV. I want to talk in front of these cameras.
Not in front of the camera.
Can we go out here, baby?
No, it's all out now. It's all in the open. Speak up.
Man, can we just go out
Where are
here?
you going, Rob? For real? You just gonna run? You gonna walk away with your punk ass? This nigga just pissed me out.
We're going to talk when we get home.
Home?
We're going to talk when we get home.
Don't go there. It's a wrap. Your shit is outside. Don't even go there. Don't even go there.
Visit NoCheatersDate.com and meet that special someone. Create a profile in our online community and enjoy a fun and easy way to meet faithful singles in your area.